SecureData's SecureDrive BT and SecureUSB BT drives make it easy for you to protect all of your sensitive data and keeps files safe with secure wireless authentication via mobile device. Companies, students, and individuals alike need protection for their digital files and can't take any chances that their information might fall into the wrong hands. The SecureDrive BT and SecureUSB BT feature FIPS certified military-grade 256-bit hardware encryption and patented data lock technology. The SecureDrive BT and SecureUSB BT are the only hardware encrypted storage solutions that are remote management ready. The feature offers geo and time fencing, as well as a remote wipe option. The military-grade encryption and security features ensure you will have no more data leaks and are perfect for regulated industry, including government, medical, and legal use. Additional security features include remote wipe and brute force anti-hacking self-erase mechanism. If an unauthorized user attempts to unlock the drive unsuccessfully 10 times, it will be crypto erased. There are no techniques to retrieve access. There are absolutely no backdoors, and all data will be erased permanently. Need a portable storage solution? These secure drives are the thinnest encrypted drives on the market. They are compatible with all operating systems with no drivers to install. They are also the only drives that can be unlocked easily via your mobile device with SecureData's exclusive data lock technology for both iPhone and Android devices. Simply swipe once to lock and unlock your drive. SecureDrive BT is available in either hard disk or SSD models, starting at just $285 and in capacities up to 8 terabytes. SecureUSB BT start at $119 and are available in 16, 32, and 64 gigabyte sizes. The SecureDrive BT and SecureUSB BT are available at Videoguys.com. Shop online or give us a call at 1-800-323-2325.